I'm going to use quotes straight from the Mr.T soundboard. Here we go.
Hello.
Hey, man.
Hello.
Your tow truck drove my van off the road. I want to know who's driving it.
Tow truck.
Yeah.
Who's calling?
Bernie Green.
What do you want?
Your tow truck drove my van off the road. I want to know who's driving it. I checked the engine. It looks pretty bad. This guy's broke my rear axle.
My trucks are both here.
What?
My trucks are here.
No. I got the number. 555-2933.
What do you say you got?
Your tow truck drove my van off the road. I want to know who's driving it. I checked the engine. It looks pretty bad.
Did you wreck it?
No. Your tow truck drove my van off the road, and I want to know who's driving it.
I don't know.
Except for you.
It ain't ours. My trucks are sitting here.
Sometimes I wish you were invisible, because you don't ever seem to go, wait.